The default animated watch face is super cool. The raise there is to wake the display is very responsive and works flawlessly. It comes with 60Hz refresh rate, which provides a buttery smooth user experience. Hi there! This is the Titan Evolution, a smartwatch from Titan that brings a premium design with tons of smart features like Bluetooth calling, then you get a curved AMOLED display, there's health monitoring, workout tracking and more. Truly excited to check this one out. So let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch right here. Some key features: Nitro fast charging, IP68 rating, liquid silicone straps. On this side you can see it comes with an AMOLED display, immersive UX, personalized AI dashboard. Towards the back you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 6,999. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. Oh wow. So right on the top here is the watch itself. We have the rose gold and black variant. I love the packaging, I must say. So we have some paperwork. This is the warranty registration card. Then you have the quick user guide. And this is the QR code for the companion app. And finally, of course, is this Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The grip, I must say, is pretty strong, so it won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. First, we'll get rid of the packaging. There's also a tag in between which has the MRP and some more other details. Let's cut this off. There you go. Let's also open up the watch. And now let's get rid of the screen protector. Wow. Now the first thing that you notice is that this comes with the curved design, which I think looks really nice, especially when you wear it on your wrist. Kind of adapts to your wrist, which is really nice. Now the front glass is with Panda glass protection, so you won't get scratches and scuffs easily, which is really good. But of course you still need to be careful. Now the frame is made of aluminium and it comes with this rose gold matte finish, which looks really nice. Soft to touch and feels so nice. Very premium. On this side you can spot the Titan logo in the crown. Then we get soft liquid silicone straps, very soft to touch, and if you look carefully you can see the Titan logo is embossed in the strap. Really nice. Then it comes with the buckle design. The buckle is also made of metal and it matches with the frame. The same rose gold buckle looks very premium. Love the quality of the straps. Truly stand out. Moving towards the back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals on the top. There is mic here which is going to assist you for phone calls, and there is a speaker here which is also going to be assisting you for phone calls and for AI voice assistant. Really nice. These straps obviously can be changed with third-party bands if you need to. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Very convenient. There you go. So overall the build quality and the design look really premium. The watch comes with IP68 rating, so it's safe to wear at the gym for a workout, in the rain, and yes, even for a swim. In fact, it comes with a water drain feature which you can use after a swim to drain the excess water from the watch speaker. We usually see this feature only at premium smartwatches. Good job, Titan. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button, the display will wake up and we get a 1.85 inch or a 4.6 centimeter curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels. The first thing that grabs your attention is the vibrant punchy colors and pitch perfect deep blacks. Another thing that I absolutely love is this animated watch face. It looks so stunning. We get 60Hz refresh rate, which gives you that smooth user experience. Check that out. Everything just flows. Now this is an interactable watch face, which means if you press in the center, all the bubbles will come in the center and you can kind of interact with them, which I think looks really cool. Check that out. Very smooth and so cool and fun to use. Now I know a lot of people want to know about the bezels. So what we'll do is go into the settings, watch face, and we'll change the watch face which kind of goes edge to edge. Check that out. Super slim bezels and the display looks absolutely stunning. Curved display on all the four sides. Just love it. And of course, if you want to tap in the center, the display will turn off, which is also a very handy feature to have. We briefly tested the watch for outdoor visibility. Titan claims 750 nits of peak brightness. And here you can see the display is clearly visible outdoors, even on a bright sunny day. Let's talk about the interface. Now obviously you can swipe using the screen like this, or you can use the crown and you can go further and browse through, which is even more smoother and fun to use. You can actually see the full display. Now here's the home page. Swipe further, you can see my fitness levels, all your daily activity. Then here you have your health tracking, the blood pressure, the heart rate, the SpO2, the stress tracking. Then further here is the steps taken. Then here you have your preferred sports modes, and further, of course, if you want to monitor the weather and more details here, you can control the music that's playing on your phone and press this button to come back to the home page. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You have do not disturb. You can adjust the brightness levels from here. Then raise the wrist to wake the display can be toggled on and off. You can use the display as a torch at night. It's always handy. Then you can also drain the water after swimming. So whatever water is in the speaker will actually get drained out, which is a really nice feature to have. Then again further into the settings, then you have flight mode, battery saving mode, search. Let's come back to the settings. Of course, you can go into watch faces, and there are about 4 to 5 watch faces, 6 watch faces that come pre-installed, and they are kind of all animated watch faces. Check that out. Looks really nice. Of course, you can keep changing whatever you want, and more can be downloaded from the Titan Smart app, which we'll come to little later. Then we have always on display. If you come in here, you can turn it on, and you have an option to choose your AOD watch faces. You can use the digital clock here. There you go. This is the digital clock, the day, the time, and of course you have the date as well. Cover to turn off the display, I just showed you earlier. Then you can obviously change the layout. You have the list layout, honeycomb, floating menu. Personally, I'm someone who still prefers the list layout. It's always convenient and kind of easy to use. Of course, it's a personal choice. You can pick whatever you want. Then further you have app view, do not disturb, auto sports recognition, which is again a very handy feature. So suppose you're going for a walk or a run, you don't need to always turn it on. In case you've forgotten to turn it on, it will recognize when you're walking or running, and the workout will be automatically collected. Further than battery, in systems, you can restart, power off, pair with new phone, reset, about settings. Now press this button to go to the menu, and right on the top you have multi-sports modes, Titan Health, you can do phone calls, AI voice assistant. So all you need to do is come here. What is the weather in Mumbai?
In Mumbai, it's 31 with smoke. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 20.
Now that audio that you're hearing is from the speaker on the watch and not your phone. It was really quite clear and audible. Then event reminder, timer, world clock, weather, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone, camera shutter, find phone. Then there are certain amount of games. There is 2048 and there's a racing game. You can keep playing whichever you want. And then further last is settings. Now overall, I must say the biggest benefit of this Titan watch that I see right away is the super smooth user experience. It's buttery smooth, and that's something that gives you the feeling of using a premium quality smartwatch. And that's what you get with the Titan Evolution. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from this watch, go to the menu, you'll go to the phone dialing app. Here you'll see call history, favorite contacts, and keypad. We're going to keypad and we're just randomly dialing a number. There you go, and clicking dial. There you can see the phone call is being dialed. Now the audio that you're hearing right now is from the watch speaker. It's really loud and clear. Everything is clearly audible. You can of course change the volume of the speaker, you can mute the microphone, and you can end the call directly after you're done talking. Super convenient. And similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly on your smartwatch. Firstly, there's a ringtone with a vibration alert. You can see the caller's name, you can reject the call, you can answer the call, and you can also quick reply. You can set the quick reply messages from the companion app. Apart from that, you can answer by pressing the green button and talk to the opposite person. It's very convenient. You can control the volume, you can mute the microphone, and you can end the call directly from here. Talking about the calling experience. So the speakers on the watch get loud enough to be used indoors as well as outdoors, unless you're in a very noisy environment. The other person also had no problem hearing me and didn't complain of any echo or disturbance, which means the mics also do a really good job. Bottom line, you can use this watch for phone calls with utmost convenience. Coming to the fit and comfort. So the silicone straps provide an extremely good fit. I also must add, the watch truly looks premium. The design is very eye-catchy. Thanks to aluminium casing, it's also quite light and can be comfortably worn at night or day for sleep tracking. Coming to health tracking. So Evolution does come with a dedicated health suite, heart rate monitoring, SpO2, breathing app, stress tracking, and more, which you can monitor individually. But my favorite feature is one tap measurement. In this, it takes a couple of seconds and you get heart rate, SpO2 and stress measurements all at once. Check that out. Now, even though very reliable, I always say use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to health tracking. So when it comes to sports tracking, you press the menu button, you'll find the multi-sport mode, and here in sports, you'll find outdoor running, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, cricket. You can add more sports, but maximum the watch supports only 8. So to add them, you'll have to remove a few to add more. Then in running courses, you have easy run, all these workout modes are available here. Going back, your sports records, all these options are available here. So we also tested the watch for a quick workout session. You can see all the workout details right on the display. After the workout is done, you can see all the data on the watch as well as on the companion app. By the way, the watch is designed with running courses for people who have just begun their running journey. Coming to the battery. So the Titan Evolution comes with a huge 350 mAh battery that will roughly last you a week. Without always on mode, with always on mode, that number would obviously be a little lesser. It also comes with Nitro fast charging support, which gives you 2 days of juice with just 15 minutes of charging. Always handy. Let's have a quick look at the Titan Smart World companion app. So right here you can see your health and workout related data. You can see your calories burned, you can see your steps taken, how much workout you have done, your sleep tracking, your heart rate, your SpO2, your beats per minute, all those details are available here. The second option is basically community. The people who are using this watch are sharing their workout details here, which you can compare and see how well you are doing, and you can even compete with them. Then here are the watch faces. So there are a couple of watch faces that you can download from here. There's analog, there's digital. You can even set a custom watch face from here. Very, very helpful. Then in settings, you can turn on app notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can set goals, step goals, sleep goals, calorie goal. Then in health, you have your auto heart rate, auto stress tracking, auto SpO2. You can share your data with Google Fit, sedentary reminders, hydration reminders. Then in My Watch, you can find your watch, quick reply options can be set, unit system, lift to raise to wake can be enabled or disabled. You can see the alarm clock, camera, weather, all those options are available here. In general, battery optimization, report error if any. Social connections, you can also share your data with Strava. So you have Google Fit and Strava support. And in About, you have the version number. You can also see for software updates, which is always very handy. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. The watch lacks built-in GPS. So that's probably the only thing I miss, but definitely makes up for it with the experience. You get premium build quality, accurate tracking, Bluetooth calling, IP rating and an extremely well-optimized user interface. It's a complete package. The Titan Evolution is actually already on sale and it's available in multiple color options, priced at $6,999. You can buy it from the Titan store near you or even online from the Titan website. I'll share the links of all the color variants below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.